I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a stuck car door. A car door that won't open can be incredibly frustrating, but often, the solution is simpler than you might think. We'll go through a step-by-step process to diagnose and resolve the issue. First, determine if the door is stuck from the inside, the outside, or both. This initial observation provides a crucial clue about the underlying problem, guiding our next steps effectively. Many stuck car doors are due to common issues. If your door is frozen, try applying a silicone-based lubricant to the rubber seals to help them release. For a door that feels slightly jammed, gently push and pull on the door while simultaneously operating the handle. This can sometimes dislodge a minor obstruction or realign a slightly misaligned component. Always check the latch for any visible debris that might be preventing it from engaging or disengaging properly. If the simpler fixes don't work, it's time to look deeper into the door's internal workings. You'll need to carefully remove the interior door panel to gain access to the latch mechanism. Once exposed, inspect the cables connecting the door handles to the latch. Look for any cables that are disconnected, frayed, or stretched. You can also manually operate the latch mechanism to see if it moves smoothly or if there's resistance, indicating a mechanical issue. For more persistent problems, examine the door hinges for any bending or damage that could cause misalignment. Sometimes, adjusting the striker plate on the car frame can resolve issues where the door isn't latching correctly. If you've tried these steps and the door remains stuck, or if you suspect complex electrical issues or significant structural damage, it's often best to consult a professional mechanic. They have specialized tools and expertise to safely address intricate repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.